If you're a stay-at-home mom or you work a regular 9 to 5 job and you are just tired, whether it's in mid-afternoon or after you get home from work and you don't feel like cooking, but let me tell you something, I got you, girl. This recipe is under 30 minutes, so here we go. So depending on the size of your household, we're 3 right now, so I think I grabbed 6 small potatoes. You want to cut them in bite sizes. Next, you're going to put your potatoes in a bowl of cold water. You're going to let it sit there for 30 minutes. While your papas are soaking in water, you're just going to go ahead and grab about 6 garlic cloves and you're going to chop them into tiny, tiny pieces. Next, you're going to grate your beef. Now, you can use ribeye. In this case, I decided to use top sirloin and you're going to chop them into tiny cubes. Not tiny, but just cubes. Cubes, okay? Not tiny. Take that back. Not tiny. Just square cubes. Well, a cube is square, isn't it? Okay, just, you know what I mean. Trim some of that fat and give it to your furry babies. Trust me, they just love this treat. Put your beef cubes in the bowl and you're going to drizzle, and I mean drizzle, with some olive oil. Next, use your favorite Texas steak blend or any kind of steak blend will work just fine. Don't forget that these steak blends already have salt, so do not put any salt in this mixture. We then grab our pan. I'm using a cast iron because let me tell you something. I don't know what it is about a cast iron, but it just gives it a different flavor. So try to get yourself a cast iron. Pour some oil in your cast iron, make sure it's nice and hot, and now you're going to put your cubes in there, and you want to make sure that you sear them both sides. Don't overcook your steak, just make sure that they're nicely seared, especially if you like your steak kind of like medium well. Don't overcook it. Then set aside. Next, you're going to put a bar of unsalted butter. Now, I started with 1 bar, but let me tell you, I ended up putting a 2nd bar just because this butter is so good. Throw in your chopped garlic with the butter, and then throw your potatoes. Now, here's a mistake that I made. I wish I would have cooked my potatoes, boiled them just a little bit before pouring them in the pan. And I'm saying this because once I put the onions, it kind of overcooked. So make sure that you cook your potatoes, I think, before. Sprinkle more of that steak seasoning as much as you can because let me tell you something, I think that's what food is so good. Chop 1 large white onion and mix in this mixture. Now this is what I mean. The onion cooks very rapidly, so yeah, next time cook the potatoes a little bit by itself before putting here. Then put your steak back with this whole mixture and mix away. Now because I didn't want my steak to get too overcooked, I actually had to remove it from the potatoes so the potatoes will cook by themselves, and then brought the steak back in the pan. At this point, I chopped some parsley, moved it around, and voila. Gosh, it's so delicious. So good. Super easy, super quick. Enjoy. Bon appetit.